Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 16th of August, 2023. We're going to talk about NIO stock because what in the world is going on with this stock? We saw a massive run up in NIO stock, and now we're seeing a massive move back down. Why would the market trade that way? Well, because the people who ran the market up higher are no longer buying the stock. Now, I wanted to come in and do an update on NIO because I did a video on August the 9th, right? And this is where the price in NIO was trading when I did the video. And I didn't change my price because the market was still holding $13.25. Well, here it is today. Fast forward to today, and the market in NIO is at $11.83. Yeah, we need to talk. If the market is not giving you what you need to walk away and reformulate and rethink the analysis. I keep it real. If the market is not giving us what we expect, then I cannot act like it's not happening. Like the market is still bullish, when in fact it is not. Good thing about this price prediction is that we had opportunity to grab some profit, but it wasn't long. It wasn't long. And we need to talk about the prospects of us seeing the price in NIO breaking this trend. All right. So that's where we're going to talk today, because you can see in pre-market, NIO is already trading around $11.14. That would take us below our trend line already. Okay. So let's go ahead and chop this one up and let's get right back into position, because this market is not bullish. Not since the high of August the 4th. And it's been a swift movement to the downside. That's one thing about stocks, is that for the most part, from a buyer's direction, it takes price longer to go higher than it does when it goes down. Always remember that. Okay. Now let's look at this on a 2-day chart first. It just looks crazy. No buyers came into the market in NIO on the 2-day time frame. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Take a look at NIO on the 5. This 5-day chart is really where we're going to talk, because this 5-day price bar is letting us know, hey, we have some lower prices to go towards. Okay. And my attention is right here on the high of this 5-day price bar to be an initial set of support buying. It's like 1083. That would be my first target. My second is going to be around $10 again. Okay. $10. Take a look at NIO on the 330-minute chart. Like, this is ridiculous. The overall market in NIO, I would say the stock market as a whole, you're seeing a lot of stocks that traded like this. The demand is no longer here in the markets right now. I just did a video for the QQQ. Look at the market in the QQQ. It looks the same way. It just came straight down. Take a look at Meta. It's just coming straight down. What about Apple? This came straight down. Amazon? Not so much. Look at that. See, these different markets tells you a story. Amazon is stronger than the other stocks that I've just shown you. Let's get back to NIO. So, I cannot be bullish right now. And we can see that the trend is in jeopardy of being broken. And if that's the case, we need to be prepared for NIO to continue to go to the downside. Now, pre-market, I can see it already down around 11.13. I need to put the price prediction there. I need to start it there, but there's no guarantee that the market is going to be trading there when the market officially opens for trading. Okay. So that first target right here, the high of March the 30th, which is like 1083. That is 8.68%. The market's already that low right now. So my second target is going to be around 1025, which is 13.74%. And I really think it's going to try to hold support there. My third target It's going to be around 950, which is 19.81%. Now, all of this is going to stem off of the price in NEO giving us weakness, just the lack of buying in general since this high of August the 4th. That's one reason why we're looking for the market in NEO to go lower. The second reason, it is breaking a trend that started beginning of June. That's the second reason why the market is harnessing more weakness than strength. And then the third reason is because price didn't maintain $13 where we really needed to see the buyers. Okay, so give me your thoughts. Tell me your perception of the market in NEO right now. Do you think it's bullish? At what price do you think it will become more bullish? I have given you my targets. Drop me a comment and give me yours. All right, I'm finished. Hit that like button, and also subscribe. I try to give you all a different perspective of what the chart looks like versus what other people are talking about, because what they say has no relation to the charts if they're not speaking of the charts. In order for them to have any legitimacy to me, it has to coordinate, it has to gel with the price action of the chart, right? So if someone is telling me, hey, go ahead and take a look at Apple, right? Apple is a buy, and the price target that I have is such and such, and I go and look at the chart for Apple and I see that the market is completely crashing, then what that person is telling me at that moment is not correct, because the market is telling me something different. See, I look at everyone's viewpoints, right? I look at what they have to say, and I look at what the chart has to say. And if what they're saying is not matching with what the chart has, then what they're saying is not right. The chart is always right because the market is always right. The people who trade these particular markets is always right because they're the one who's actually out there putting in the work. They're just not talking. They're actually placing their money at work and trying to bring in more money. So when they come in and play, they're not playing for fun. They're playing to make money, which is why I strictly focus on the price chart. Give me your perceptions. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.